Can't create a new Google account because you keep getting asked to verify your phone number? Instead of starting from the Gmail app, I'll show you another method that many users have found helpful for reaching the Google account creation page. It only takes a few simple steps, so let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down until you find Accounts and back up, then tap it. On the next screen, tap Manage Accounts. Now scroll to the bottom of the page. When you see Add Account, tap it. You'll now see a list of account types. From the list, tap Google. After a moment, Google's sign-in screen will appear. At the bottom left, tap Create Account. Choose the option that fits your needs, then begin entering your information. Type your name, birthday, and any other required details. Next, create a secure password. Once you've confirmed it, continue to the next step. Depending on Google's security checks, your account may be created immediately, or you may still be asked to verify your phone number. If a phone number is requested, that's a security decision made by Google, and it can't always be avoided. If your account is created without adding one, I recommend adding a recovery phone number later. It'll make your account much easier to recover if you ever forget your password or lose access. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more Google, Android, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.